guys, it's Susie. I just finished a Toastmaster speech competition. Before I get rid of all this makeup,
share with you 4 winning tips of public speaking on Zoom. 意思就是啦，互人咧 Zoom 看你讲话袂去困去啦。
firstly, you have to know how to frame yourself on Zoom. This? Get rid of it. White. Find a white background. I have to tell you, lighting is very important. I'll show you a little technique that's quite useful. You go to selfie mode. You're starting to circle around the house and see which direction has the best lighting on you. But you might ask me, what if my wall doesn't give me the best lighting spot? Easy. Let me show you what I have at the back. Can you see this lighting at the back? It makes the whole performance a lot more professional. Now you can see my Zoom frame, right? Now make the best use of this frame. Sometimes you can do your speech very close to the camera. Sometimes you can do it at the corner, and sometimes you can do it at the back. It depends on the content you're talking about. Make the best use of the screen to make your speech and your presentation very versatile so that people can glue on you. Can you see that green light? That is what you're supposed to be looking at, not looking at your own face or the audience face. Practice talking to the camera because camera is the audience. When it comes to the phone, if you're doing your competition and presentation on your phone on Zoom, honey, please do not talk to you there. You talk to here because that's the camera. Number 3, the content. You have to know exactly what the criteria is. Don't think, okay, humor competition. I just need to be funny. No, do you know the funny element of that humorous speech competition is only 15%? All the rest, it has to be inspirational storytelling skills. You have to know exactly what other people want. Think about what is best for them, how you can bring to other people, how they can hook on your talking, how they can take away with your points. Ask the people who have been there before. I asked Megan this time. Megan is a friend of mine. She won so many competitions before. She gave me so many tips that I shape my speech accordingly. So always ask the people who are better than you and learn from it. Okay guys, welcome to my wardrobe. Now we want to talk about what to wear when you do the presentation. Is this good? No, because this is too low. You don't want to wear this low. So when you have a white background, people are not looking at your face. They go, ooh, below. No. If you are a guy, let me tell you, please wear a shirt with collar. Normal suits is fantastic. With a nice, interesting, bright tie is good. Guys are easy. But for girls, think about this. What makes you look like a winner? Plain white background, wear contrasting color. See, this is the dress I wear all the time. Does this look like a winner dress? No, too many flowers. What about this one? That's plain enough. Is that good? No, because you look like you're going to a party. This is contrasting enough, right? Do you know what? If I'm wearing that, I might as well wear this. Looks like 1950s dancing girl. No. I wear this cute dress. It's not terribly exciting, but then it's contrasting well with the background, so people can look at you. You see, you have competitors one after the other. As soon as you are on, they're like, ooh, she looks alright. We want that. Look professional, look like a winner. Even if you don't win, you look okay, and you look good in a photo anyway. Okay? I hope what I'm telling you today is helpful for your presentation or your competition. Always do your practice on Zoom and look back yourself and see which point you got it really well and which point that is a little bit weak in presentation. And the last one is the most important one of all is don't care about the result. I know. I'm like, I win this and I tell you don't care. Yes, do not care about the result. Just do how you normally do. Whatever happen. happens, life still goes on the same. Then you will feel a lot more relaxed on the stage. I hope it's useful. I'm Susie. 谢谢大家. I will see you next time.